Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Liz and this is Simply Homeschool. So today I'm doing something a little bit different and I wanted to kind of walk through with you guys and show you guys what we are going to be doing for an activity this week. Now this is going to be a human body unit study. My nephew is going to be 5 in December, and this week for school he is going to be working on the letter H. So I decided with the letter H we're going to use human and then body. So we are going to do a bunch of activities on learning the different human body parts and organs and how everything works together. Now for this activity, I'm going to actually be having my second grader in on the activities with us. So it'll be super fun. I know she'll be really excited to do this with us. So I'm trying to aim it towards both age groups. I don't want it to be too extreme to where my 5-year-old nephew doesn't understand, and I don't want it to be super easy to where my daughter's not getting anything out of it. So she does work with the Baggie program, so they are not working on this right now. She's actually doing history, but I'm just gonna be pulling her away for about 3 days out of this week and work on it with her and him. Now pretty much all of these items I've purchased from the Dollar Tree, Daiso, and Target dollar section. Everything is pretty much super cheap and on a budget. So the first thing I'm going to show you is a book that I got from the library. So this is My Amazing Body Machine. Okay, now I'm not going to be going through the whole book with them. I am just going to be pulling from it. Again, I will have my 5-year-old nephew, or my soon-to-be 5-year-old nephew, and my 7-year-old daughter. Now this is not Christian, so it's not going to have anything having to do with how God made us or anything like that. This is just, you know, the gist of how our body works. So I'm going to show you what's inside the book and what I'm going to be talking to them about, and then I'll show you the activities that I have planned. So what we're going to start with is talking to them about the framework of our body, explain to them the skull and the ribs and how all your joints work. And then as I'm going over it, or after I go over it, I haven't quite figured that out yet, how I'm specifically going to be doing it. It'll probably be as I'm going through it. So once I explain the skull and break it down to them about what we have it for and how it protects our brain and things like that, what I'll do is I'm going to have my daughter write on a flashcard or a post-it skull. And then what I'll do is I'll have my nephew then place the flashcard or the post-it next to the body part that we're talking about. So this is the little skeleton body that I had purchased. I got it from the dollar store. I mean, tell me it was perfect timing because it's Halloween right now. So I purchased this. I'm gonna lay it out on the table and we're gonna work on it at the table. But that way I could have both of them hands-on while we're going through the book so that they don't get bored. So that's the first activity. We're gonna start with the skull. This is the framework. Without a skeleton, your body would collapse in a heap. This flexible framework supports and shapes your body and allows it to move. Your skeleton also protects your organs. Where was the skull, Mateo? Do you remember where the skull is? You get to put that right next to where it goes. Tally, where's the skull? Where does the skull belong? Good job. And what is the skull for? Again, do you remember what it protects?
Our head.
Our head, brain. But with our brain. Good job, okay? Bones are connected by joints. Where are the joints again, you guys? This is a joint.
Yeah,
this
that
is
one.
A joint.
That one.
Where's
That
another
one.
joint? Yep. Where's another one?
That one.
Yep.
That one.
Yep.
That
So here's lungs and breathing. So it explains it there. Fueling the machine. Here's the stomach. Okay, so then it also has a section where it breaks down the brain. So I have two of these bins. I purchased them from the dollar store. They are my favorite. We use them for sensory bins, and we are constantly doing sensory bins. So I have two of these, one for my daughter, one for my nephew. And then I have set up two of these little trays. This one will be for my nephew. It has a head section, a chest section, and a stomach section. And then I have this other one here for my daughter, and again, head, chest, and stomach. And then here, you're gonna see all these little organs. Now, I literally just went online and printed out some organs. I cut them and then I laminated them. You do not have to laminate them. If you do want to use them again, I would suggest using maybe a cardstock. But I didn't think ahead when I did it, and I just did it on copy paper, and they're super flimsy. And I figured I could use these multiple times and for my son as well when he gets older. So what I have is intestines, kidneys, lungs, heart, brain, liver, and stomach. Now, I have no idea why I did not think about the bladder, but I do not have the bladder. We're going to skip it this time around. So anyways, what I'm going to do, oh, by the way, I got this from the dollar store. And then these little cutouts here are actually from the dollar store. Now in the school section, you'll see like a pack of these and a pack of these. I think they come with 10 each. And I'm telling you, my daughter's used these I don't know how many times. Okay, so I originally wanted to use yarn, but I have put my yarn somewhere and now I don't know what I did with it. So I decided I'll just use these pom-poms. And then what I was gonna do is I'm literally going to just scatter these in here and mix it all up. Okay, oops, sorry guys, I'm like moving you everywhere. But I was just going to do this, okay? I'm not gonna do it all right now, but I'm gonna mix them up in there. And then what I'm gonna have the kids do, now my nephew will love this. Now I don't know how my daughter's gonna feel about it, but she'll probably have fun doing it. And then I have all of these little just sensory bin tools that we use. So what they would do is they would just start digging out the organs and placing them in the tray. Let's put a brain in there, okay? So say they dig out brain, okay, they're gonna know that that goes in their head. And then if they dig out the lungs here, it's gonna go in your chest. If they dig out the liver, it's gonna go in your stomach area. Or the intestines, it's going to go in your stomach area. So that is what I figured out for this little sensory play. I thought it would be fun. I hope it is. I hope they enjoy it. They can also use spoons. They can use scoopers and scoop out all the little pom-poms and stick them in the measuring cups. I mean, whatever their little heart desires, they can do. Okay, so you're gonna have all of these little body parts, okay? Yes, Tal.
Mom, what are these envelopes?
They're for another activity.
Okay. Yay.
Okay, so these are the body parts that you're gonna have in there.
Okay.
So see, this one is liver. Yeah. Liver is where? Do you guys know where your liver is?
Right here.
It's in your tummy.
Right here.
You're gonna see tummy right here, stomach. So you're gonna, when you find liver, you're gonna stick it in the stomach area. Okay. What is in your head?
A brain.
A brain. So when you find a brain, where does it go here, Mateo? There you go. There you go, Tallywell. What is in your chest? Lungs. Okay.
Right here.
Yep. And then a heart. Where's your heart?
Chest.
It's in your chest also. So you put that in the chest area. Tell you to find the D, okay? And what you're gonna either do is you're going to pick up the D like this. It's kind of hard. And put it here, or you can use it one to scoop in and put it there and that. Yeah. Or you can use your tongs and pick up your D this way. Or one other way, you can take your you can take this and you can scoot it off to the side. Okay, like that, and move the other ones. Okay? Okay, so your choice on how you want to do it. Okay, Teo, find the A. Good job. Here, look.
That doggy on there.
It does. Put that in that hand and this in this hand. Because see how the thumbs go up like our hands? Okay, ready? Find the
C.
Where's the C? About the heart and blood. It explains the heartbeat, so everything about the heart and how it works. Alright, you guys, thanks for checking out my channel. I hope that you enjoyed this unit study, and please don't forget to hit that like, the subscribe, and the notification bell. That way you are alerted anytime I have a new upload. Thanks again, guys, and be blessed always.